esta madre le duele las nalgas, que se las toque, dice. A ver, se le están doliendo las nalgas, se le está haciendo un masajito, dice.
I hope they don't think we were serious.
About what?
You know what?
About what?
You know what I'm talking about?
There's so much mud on it.
Like it might be down at the bottom.
Buena cosa, son
No, estaba jugando. No,
¿Están jugando?
Sí.
Sí. Ellos.
¿Cómo?
Están jugando pero con el culo de ellos.
No. Because they were joking. We were like, I didn't really get it. And we were like, no. They were just playing. It was like, if they're playing with their butt.
What? And we're like, no.
It's so funny.
Yeah. They're so not tolerant here, Mama.
Huh?
It's so not tolerant here about that stuff.
And you got all that on tape too?
Yeah, I did.
The way they act though, it's like,
What are y'all thinking?
Guys, not helping.
What are y'all thinking? We want to get in on it. Oh God, they're so bad at each other. I know. And all the things that they do are they're joking and it's like for real.
Oh, look at me. You guys want? I can take it.
Wait, what was that?
These are the type of trees that sloths are on.
Thank you, Mom.
Aw, father and son, how cute. What?